Okay, so I have my essentials bag. And let's go through what's inside of it. And maybe we'll toss some stuff. Now, some of it's probably old, but let's figure it out. So let's go through what's in here. First up, foundation. I think it's anti-aging. Keep. Brown blush. Trash. Classic highlighter. Trash. Then I kept it. Vitamin C X papaya lip gloss. Keep. Crusty cheapo powder. Trash. Setting spray. It keeps me dewy. Keep. Primer. I don't know what it does. Keep. Brown eyeliner. I'm basing my whole makeup looks off this moving forward. Keep. Black mascara that I need to update. Well, I kept it. Jumbo milk creamy eyeliner that I use as an eyeshadow base. I trashed it. Camo concealer I got for drag. Keep. I don't know why though, but I kept it. Liquid blush I wear all the time, but it's way too pink for me. I don't remember. I think I trashed it. I might have kept it. Very used orange blush. Trash. Oh, this one speaks for itself. EOS Almost Gone chapstick. Trash. I don't know what this is. I used it for the highlight on my drag base. Keep. Iridescent lip gloss I never use. Trash. I also have this palette that I think is a little too pink for me. So, trash. Avocado palette. There's some good neutrals in here, to be honest. Some good greens. I do like this palette. I wish it would put a date because it says 12 months. And I know I've had this for more than a year. I feel like I should trash it. Maybe I won't. I'm gonna keep it. Because otherwise I'd be throwing away literally all my palettes. So I have this Morphe palette. Also some good neutrals. Keep. Morphe Ice Fantasy palette. Whoops. You can tell the colors that I use in here. Some purples, blues. Good palette. Keep. I have the Flashback palette. It's whatever. It's a good palette. I mean, it is. Good colors. Don't talk to me or my son ever again. And then the only other palette I have, because I did a purge not so long ago. Also this packaging. Totally 2000s. Beautiful pinks. I almost only use the pinks out of this. I really like the packaging, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I like the pinks. I don't know if pinks are like the best on me and my skin tone, but whatever. I am a little sniffly today. I'm gonna try not to be so, sniffly. Okay. Oh, that was easier than I thought. So, bye, trash bag, bye. Garbaggio. Nice, go me. I did get 3 new products. I got a blue eyeliner, a blue mascara. I'm excited to try this. Look how vibrant. And a berry brown mascara. I think neutrals look best on me. purples, like a cooler palette for sure. What I assume, anyways. So, without further ado, let's try to crimp this mess. Try and stand back. Ooh, cute. Half up, half down. I don't hate it. Maybe I wonder if we could do like a spin. What's it? It's like an under. Like one of these situations and like spike this up. Cute. Okay, what I'm trying to do is section my hair. Okay, let's get to the crimping. I always try to get my ends curled in so they're not flipping out. Doesn't always work. This is a trial round. This is a dummy round. This might be cut weird, but imagine this little bit isn't there. Just a little bit of a length difference. I don't know if I mentioned the time. It's like, what time is it? It's 8:22. It's not as late as I thought. But still, this is gonna be showered out. See how easily you can tell if you missed a piece? I'll just do a quickie. It's gonna take way less time than I ever used to. Always had long hair when I did this, so I'm interested to see what it looks like with medium hair. So I feel like you're getting the vibe of what I'm doing here. I'm tired of listening to myself heave for breath because I can't breathe through my nose. So I'm going to let you go and play some music and we'll meet back here. Before? After. I don't know. Maybe if it was fluffier or something. It doesn't look that different. I don't know what to do with the bangs. I think maybe like if I could do something like this, might be kind of cute, but also I don't have a straightener, so I can't really. I don't have anything to do anything with those. I started my shower because I'm gonna wash this out, and then do some skincare. I tried these eyeliners earlier, and it said they were long lasting. They really are. So, there we go. Micellar waterworks. What if we try one of these for shits and giggles? Do it. Oh my god. I'm excited. Bought these for a Halloween costume. Alright, I'm gonna go under. I've never really used one of these. Can you tell? Can you tell? Let me get lower so you can. I don't think this is right. I'll try again. This might be too big. I wish I could do a little tape. I don't know if this is gonna work. I feel like it. I'm thinking a blow dry round brush situation is probably gonna work out a little better than this. Plus it's gonna get in the way of our mask, so. Okay, let's get into a mask. Okay, much better. Now we go chew. Sorry, that was gross. Putting these away. Little more snail stuff. I'm feeling a little sicky, but we look good. Okay. I think that's all for tonight. Thanks for hanging, and I hope you had fun. Good night.